Welcome. Let's look at question 34. A body initially at rest is acted upon by forces 1, 2, 3. We have to find correct one decimal place the magnitude of the resultant force. Remember what we did in the episode under mechanics. If you are looking for resultant force as R, it should be resolution of force 1 plus that of force 2 plus that of force 3. And how do we resolve that force? To resolve force 1, we know we are going to pick the magnitude. Where is it? Magnitude, then the sine of the given angle 30, the magnitude, the cos of the given angle 30. So in that resolution, let's see, that is 6 sine 30 will give you 3. Then we have 6 cos 30. That will give you 3 root 3 Newton. Let's take the second force, which is also going to be on the magnitude of 8, the sine of what? 180, 8, the cos of 180. So let's see what that value will be on our calculator. And that will give you 0. Then we have 8 cos 180. That will give you a negative 8. So this force is resolved to the vector form. Then force 3, what is the magnitude? We have 10. The sine of the angle is 90. Then 10, the cos of the angle is what? 90. Let's see, we have 10 sine 90. That will give you a 10. I think the second will give you 0, but let's check. So we have 0. What are we looking for? We are looking for the magnitude, the resultant. So resultant will be force 1, which in this case will be 3 root 3 plus force 2, 0, 8 plus force 3, 10, and what? 0. This is negative 8. So what do we do? In adding that, we should have 10 plus that to be 13. Then this is going to be 3, the root of 3 minus 8 as a resultant word. Force. We need the magnitude. So the magnitude of the resultant force will be the root of the x component 13 squared plus the y component 3 root 3 minus 8 all squared. Because of the space, I'll put all of that in my calculator and see the result. So this all in the calculator will give us 13.299. But the answer is left in one decimal place. So we are going to have 13.3, right? Approximation. Then the unit will be in what? Newton. So the answer we are looking for should be 13.3, which is the option C. All right, thanks for watching. Come back for question 35.